Hey, did you know that Budgie Power has really cheap power prices?
Yeah, interesting.
But they're quite talented at what they do.
Yep.
In fact, I think I'm going to tweet about it right now.
Wait, was that a pun or...
Wow, all these retweets I'm getting. They're quite the bird.
Can we just go eat some worms now?
We are budgies. We eat seeds, not worms.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
How can you forget?
I don't know, maybe I forgot because I'm not a budgie, but a human being recording lines for an animation.
Join Budgie Power today!
This ad is stupid.
You're stupid.